Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can use GitHub's collaboration feature so that we can have more than one developer or you can have your friend to contribute to your open source project. So there has been a question that is asked. So in an open source community, many developers contribute to an application. A new contributor develops a feature A and wants to commit to the master repository. As an admin, you have to make sure that only the viewed code is committed to the master branch. So let us assume a few things in this question. Firstly, let us assume that the project that we are going to make is an e-commerce website. Okay. And in that e-commerce website, the admin has already created the home page. Let us assume that. Okay. And we'll assume that this feature A that the contributor has done is the add to cart page. Okay. So what this contributor wants, he wants to commit it to the master repository. Okay, but the master repository belongs to the admin. He cannot do it. So how are we going to use the collaboration feature so that they can like upload his code to the admin and the admin can push it to the master repository. So let us see that in this tutorial. Okay. So firstly, let us assume one more thing that Sujan Gowda is the admin of our repository. Our e-commerce website will be held in this Sujan Gowda's repository, the GitHub account. Okay, so I click on new. I'll keep the repository name as e-commerce. Okay, it already exists, so I'll just put e-commerce one. Okay, click on create repository. Okay, now let us add the home page, right? So just click on create new file. I'll just create a dummy file for now. Okay, as this just for demonstration purposes. So I'll just put home.txt. It's supposed to be JS file, but fine. Let us just assume it as a file. So this is a home page. Okay, commit changes. Commit changes. Okay, we have created the home.txt file, which has this is the home page. Okay, now this is in the master branch, right? So what I need to do a few settings such that once I give access to the contributor, that should not be able to change this master file because this is the final repository, right? So I'll go to settings. Under settings, I will go to rules. In rules, rule sets, under which I'll click on new rule set. So click on new branch rule set. I'm creating this rule for the master branch, right? So I'll just give master underscore rule. You can give anything, it's your choice. Enforcement status should be active, okay? Because this should be running, right? So target branches, which branch I'm going to do it? I'm using the default branch that is master. As I have only one branch, I'll just include for default branch that will be master. Here, I need to select require a pull request before merging. So once like the admin, like the contributor will upload his code, we will get a request that if do I need to upload it, do I need to accept it or not? Okay, so I'll put required affluence to 1 as I am the only one who is managing this repository. I'll put 1. If there are 2 to 3 more members, you can add 2 or 3. It's your choice. And I'll click on create. Okay, now the rule set has been created. Now we have to add the contributor, right? So I'll go to contributors. Okay, now let us assume that my account, that is Yashwant Rao B, this is the contributor. This user is the contributor, and this user is the admin. Sujan Gowda is the admin. Okay, so click on add people. So write the username. Type the username. It will come here. Add Yashwant Rao B. So now an invite has been sent to me. Where it will be there? It will be in my Gmail inbox, email inbox. So yeah, see, I have gotten a request, view invitation, and I'll click on accept invitation. Accept invitation. So if I reload this site right now, I'll get one collaborators and yeah, one collaborator. Okay. So now I have access to edit, to create a new branch. I cannot do anything in the master branch. This master branch is completely restricted. I cannot do apart from cloning, I cannot do anything else. So I can create a new branch, but okay. So let us do that right now. Okay. So first thing what you need to do is open your file explorer, go to any directory which you like, open the command prompt. How will you open the command prompt? Just type cmd over here. Okay. So as you can see, the command prompt is opened. Now you need to clone the repository. So just put git clone. So I'm doing this in my user account, okay? Because I am the contributor. Remember that. This the one which is here is the admin. So I'll go to code and copy this HTTPS link. Paste it over here. Click enter. So as you can see, a new folder has been created called e-commerce one, which has the home.txt file. Okay. So I'll cd into this change directory, e-commerce. Okay. So as you can see now home.txt is mentioned out here. So now let us create a new file. Okay. Create a new file called cart. As I am the contributor, as in the as asked in the question. So cart, this is the add to cart page. Okay. This much is clear, right? Because we have completed, see, we have developed a feature. Admin has also created the repository. Now we have to send it, right? So we have added ourselves as a collaborator also. This much is done, right? Now what we need to do is git checkout. So you have to also add yourself as the what is that? Add your username and password, username and email. So it will be git config double dash global user.name. So this is already done by me, so I don't have to press enter again. So you can do that if you have not done. One more thing, when you're using a public system, sometimes the uh, Git user does not change. So what you need to do for that is open the control panel. In the control panel, you will get this interface, right? Go to user accounts. In user account, go to manage Windows credentials. Here you will find GitHub, right? So go here and delete this, remove it. So once you remove it, you will be able to create your new, like you will be able to add your own username and this thing. So it will be like you won't get any errors for that. Okay. So now as my system is working perfectly fine, I'll continue with the tutorial. Yeah, git checkout dash b. So now I have to write the branch name. So git checkout is done. So dash b, new branch I'll be creating. So here master branch is there, no? So I want to add a new branch. So I'll give the branch name as cart feature. Cart feature will be the branch name. I'll put enter. So branch name has been created. To check if I'm in that branch, so git branch. So I'll get, yeah, see, I'm in that green color. This thing is text is shown, right? So I'm in this cart feature branch. So now I'll add git add dot git commit. So what have I done? I've added the cart feature, right? So added cart feature. Okay, done. Now I'll push it. Git push origin. Now what is my branch name? Cart feature. So I'll put cart feature over here. Put enter. So as you can see, it has been uploaded, and here also it has been updated over here. See, cart feature has recent pub pushes 3 seconds ago. So if I compare it to the master branch, if I click on that, So as you can see, one showing one changed file with one addition. So what did I do? I added a new file, right? Card.txt, one addition and zero deletions. I did not delete anything, right? So this will be seen by the admin. Okay. So this I can just create a pull request. That's it. We can create pull request. It's checking. Okay. See, merging is blocked. Okay, because I don't have access to this. I cannot merge it because I am in the contributor's account. Yashwant Rao B is the contributor. He's not the admin. So for this much is done. The work of the contributor has been completed. So I'll come back to my admin account. This is the admin account. See Sujan Gowda. I'll reload this page. See once I reload it, I can see the okay. It's still loading. Let us wait. Okay. See I can see the cart feature also, right? So this has been updated in this also. And I can see a pull request. You can see one is shown, right? So if I go to this pull request, see added card feature, review required. So let me just review this. I click on this, let it load, commits. Okay. I'll go to review changes. I'll approve it because I feel everything is okay. Submit review. Okay, it's still loading. Let it load. Okay, now I get the option for merge pull request. So once I click on this, it will be merged to the master branch. So I'll click on this. I feel everything is okay. Confirm merge. And we have successfully merged it to the master branch. So now when once I click on the master, as you can see, there was just home before. Now I have added cart as well. Okay. So the whole motive of this experiment or tutorial was to show that you don't have to give the full access of your GitHub repository to the contributor. You can just give him add him as a contributor, collaborator, and he can do the necessary changes by creating a new branch. So I hope everybody has understood what is to be done, and the commands will be provided in the description. So kindly feel free to download it from there. And yeah, thank you for watching.